In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Wise with Shopify. If you're running an online store, managing finances across different currencies can be a daunting task. But integrating Wise with Shopify can simplify this process remarkably. Let's dive right into it, detailing each step so you can handle this setup effortlessly. First things first, you'll want to open or log into your Wise business account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create an account. But assuming you've already got one set up, let's proceed. Once inside, the next crucial step is to create or activate your currency balance. This is where you decide which currency you're handling, whether it's USD, EUR, or another currency. This setup is particularly beneficial if you're dealing with international payments. Each currency you activate gives you the capability to manage payments coming in and going out in that specific currency, reducing the hassle of currency conversions. After setting up your currency balance, the next step is to retrieve your Wise local account details. This typically includes your routing number and account number. These details are essential as they will enable Shopify to recognize and direct funds accurately to your Wise account. Make sure to double-check these numbers to ensure they're absolutely correct, as any error can lead to misdirected payments and added complications. Once you've got your Wise details ready, it's time to head over to your Shopify admin. Upon logging into your Shopify account, you're going to head straight to the Settings section. Here, you'll find the Payments option. Click on it to open a submenu that manages everything related to payment methods and settings for your Shopify store. Within this section, you'll be looking to navigate towards either payment options or payouts bank settings, depending on how it's labeled in your version of Shopify. In this section, you will now paste the Wise bank details you gathered earlier for the relevant currency. By inserting your Wise routing and account numbers here, you're effectively linking your Wise account to your Shopify store. Doing this means any payments processed through Shopify that matches the currency you set up in Wise will flow directly to your Wise account. This integration not only reduces the hassle of converting and managing different currencies manually, but also potentially saves you on unnecessary currency conversion fees. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated Wise with your Shopify store. This setup is not just about convenience, it's about building a more efficient and internationally friendly e-commerce business. Remember, accuracy is key at every step to ensure smooth transactions. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this integration to be as beneficial for your business as it has been for countless others. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more resources or contact support as needed.